the small letter E. To write the big E, let's start from the top, down to the bottom, then go back to the top and make a line out to the side, then go to the middle and make a line out to the side, then go down to the bottom and make a line out to the side. That's the big letter E. Now let's move on to the small letter E. Let's start from near the bottom, make a small line and do a curve all the way around. That's the small letter E. Now, did you know the sound letter E makes? It's A, A, A. Can you follow after me? It's A, A, A. I can't hear you. It's A, A, A. Good job, kids. Now, here are some objects that begin with the sound of the letter E. First, we have an egg. Egg. Again, egg. Next, we have an eggplant. Eggplant. Again, it's eggplant. An elephant. Elephant. Again, it's elephant. We have an Eskimo. Eskimo. Again, it's Eskimo. And the last one, we have an elevator. Elevator. Again, it's elevator. Good job, kids. That's all